Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So here is my red dramatic cut crease. Someone said this kind of gave them Wonder Woman vibes, so I'll go with that too. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to do a makeup theme collab with me, you can leave it in the comments and message me directly. Alright, boom, brows are done. So I'm going to take my NYX Proof It Primer and I'm doing a winged out cut crease today, and I'm going to use this brush, pencil brush here, and then I'm going to use my stamp as a guide for my cut crease. But I did end up having to cut one down because one was way higher than the other. I really like this brush. It's good at packing it down. And then I'm going to use a smaller blending brush to blend out the edges to make sure everything is nice and blended. I'm just going to take this micellar water with the eyeliner brush to cut it down a little bit. And I thought that I could just use the brush itself without using a Q-tip, but I ended up having to use the Q-tip because it wasn't really taking it off that well. I started using finishing powder on top of my brows when I'm using eyeshadow to color brows, because I noticed that a couple of days ago my eyebrows were kind of sweating off around because I make them a little bit bigger. So I found that they stay on longer all day, even though I sweat, if I put some finishing powder on top. So that's a hack that I don't even know what made me do that. I think I saw someone do it on their video, and I know I do it when I draw face art. Okay, so I got these eyelashes on Amazon. Eyelash, I think you say, and I'm going to use those lashes there. And here's the magnetic eyeliner. And I was only going to show myself doing one eye. I thought I actually paused my camera, so you're not going to see me putting the lash on, because because I was looking in my mirror on top of my phone and I didn't even realize that my camera was still rolling. So I apologize for that. And right now I'm just basically drawing my liner on. I did 2-3 coats, and then on my outer V I'm kind of making sure that it's like winged out a little bit so the lash will stick all the way there. And then I'm going to just take my fan and dry it down quickly. But if you don't have a fan, you want to wait like 2 to 3 minutes. And I have a really tough time not getting any of the liner into my natural lashes. I'm using a spoolie to try to comb through them. This is why I don't use glue, because I fear that since I can't even get eyeliner not on my lashes, that I would take my natural lashes out with glue, because I get the liner on there and it doesn't take my lashes out. As long as you make sure you clean it really good before you go to bed with the oil-based makeup remover, you'll be fine. And don't pull on your lashes if there is liner on there. You just gotta clean it with some makeup wipes, or you could use a cotton pad or a towel, whichever works. So yeah, you're gonna see me struggling right here because I didn't realize that my camera was rolling. But basically what I'm doing is I'm taking these lash tweezers and I was like trying to push my brows down because they curl upwards. So I was trying to get them to go down so they wouldn't be in my way, because like I said, the liner ends up getting on my lashes, so my natural lash. So when I'm trying to place the fake lash, it's sticking to my lashes instead of the liner. Damn, my eyebrows look good, huh? But you'll see me do the other one. I was really trying to make sure that it was all the way down flat, and it was actually on the liner and not stuck to my eyelashes. And then I was trying to get it to blend in with my lashes as much as I could. These aren't like super long, but I like how they fan out on the ends, and then it's smaller in the middle, in the front. So I'm just going to bend it and then I'm going to place it. And we're just going to go back into the eyeshadow. Alright guys, so you have it. Here's the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and support. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!